Install the recovery tank and solution tank in place. Freely removable magnetic brush plate. Also compatible with scouring pad for cleaning. Press and hold the black button to remove the battery. Just insert to install. 4 independent buttons with multi-speed adjustment. Equipped with LED lighting to improve visibility. And to 60W suction motor, equipped with 70W magnetic brush plate motor. Easy to maneuver. Edge cleaning for thorough cleaning. Secure the machine with the latch. Unlock the latch for flat handle placement. Turn the knob to instantly unlock the folded body. With 360 rotating handle, the machine is easier to tow after folding.